So, ngayon, magluluto tayo ng chicken thighs with bacon. Ito chicken quarter leg. Ito. Then, ito naman is American spare ribs. So, dalawa yan. I-bake natin to. Papakita ko to sa inyo kung paano ko sila ginagawa. So, hello guys. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to cook American spare ribs. And then, so, I have these two spare ribs here. So I already cleaned everything. So spare ribs, and then I have this quarter leg here. So I put the butter because that's for the quarter leg chicken. And then I have this boneless chicken thighs, and then the bacon. So the bacon, I'm gonna wrap that chicken with that one. So I have salt here. I have 2 tablespoons salt here because that's gonna be for everything. And then I have this nor cubes, their chicken and the pork. And then some this one is pepper. This one is thyme. I haven't got oregano anymore. Then more salt there. And I have this, what is this called? It's a bay leaf. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do them step by step. So for now, I'm gonna put all of this here in the bottom. So this is pepper. And then the thymes. So yes, supposedly I used to like put oregano, but I haven't got any. So some of this bay leaf, just to make a bit small. So okay, now I'm gonna make this ribs. So just salt, just a bit of that pepper earlier, but I'm gonna finish that later. So just salt. So I already cleaned all of this. So it doesn't matter if I put a bit more salt because I'm gonna put more water in the tray later as well. I thought I'm gonna be speaking Tagalog. So ayan, more salt. So ayan guys, nadala lang ako mag-English kasi yung videographer ko is English. Kaya napapa-English din ako. So anyway, ayan. So, yan yung mga ingredients natin. So, ilagay ko siya dito. Kasi kung makita niyo, doon naman na sa ilalim yung ayan. We'll swap this. So, gawin naman natin ngayon itong chicken. Ito naman, ayan, salt lang din. Kaya hindi ako nababother kung marami lagi yung salt ko. Kasi nga, tinutubigan ko din siya. Ayan, so butter. So, isa-soft niyo yung butter. Yung butter ko is 25 grams lang siya. Unsalted butter. Lagyan ko tong tray, yung kabila niya, ng pepper. Pero mamaya na natin siya finish kasi hindi ko pa nagawa yung ibang chicken. Yan. Tapos, so, irarap na natin tong chicken. Lalagyan ko muna siya siyempre ng salt. Ayan. So, ayan. Lagyan natin ng marami pang salt. Actually, hindi gaano madami. Kasi, yung bacon is medyo salted naman. Ayan. So, ayan. Yung kanina kasi medyo napapa-English ako. Charot. Dala lang ako sa videographer ko na Inglesero. So, ayan. Kaya, kung napansin nyo doon, naglagay na talaga ako ng salt dito. Kasi, hindi rin naman maganda ibalik yung kamay ko doon sa mismong lagay ng salt. So, ayan, kunting salt lang. Kaya hindi na ako naglagay ng pepper kasi lalagyan ko to after mamaya. So, ayan. Itong bacon is i-wrap ko tong chicken. Usually, pag kayong malalaki siya, ayan. Iniisa ko lang. So, tingnan nyo kung paano ko siya i-wrap. And then kung minsan, nilalagyan ko pa siya ng hotdog sa loob. Ayan. Okay guys, so ayan, so tapos na ako dito. Ayan, so lalagyan na natin siya ng more salt. More pepper, sorry. More of the thyme leaves, kasi wala akong oregano. So that's how I cook your food, Mela.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Master chef.
So yeah, so we're finished with that one. Then I'm gonna do on this one now. So kung nakita mo nyo kanina, nilagyan ko na sila ng pepper sa tray. So usually before, when I cook this, I marinate them like sometimes overnight. But I don't do that now because they still taste nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon guys, ito, chicken cubes. So half lang ilalagay ko dito kasi nga, dyan ko siya ilalagay. Kaya half lang ilalagay ko kasi kung makita niyo yung tray ko, ang babaw lang. Unlike compared dito sa pork. So I'm gonna put this one. So sa pork, ubusin ko to kasi kita niyo naman yung tray ko dito, mas malalim. So ayan, inaano ko talaga yan. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan na natin ngayon ng tubig. Tingnan niyo kung gaano siya kadami. So dapat, maapawan talaga yung ribs. Kaya kung makita nyo kanina, ang dami kong nilagay na salt. Kasi, compare mo naman sa tubig kong ilalagay. Yan. And then, here my love. So, ito din. Kunti lang mailalagay natin tubig. Kasi ito, nagtutubig yung chicken. Tsaka yung, ayan. And then, yung parang pinaka-soup na ito, pagka yung medyo kumulo na siya, gagawin ko siya na, ilalagay ko siya sa gravy. Yan. And then, so ito, kasi para mas lumambot, lumambot yung ribs, is i-cover natin. Ayan. So, kinukuberan ko muna siya nito bago ako mag-boil. Kasi itong videographer ko. What did you say about this, my love? Poison, you don't want me to put it this straight? Is it not good for?
Yeah, the aluminum.
Yeah?
Will burn.
So here guys, ayan. So it's already cooked. And then, if you can see, I'm gonna show you how soft the rib, like, how soft it is. Diba? So, sobrang niyang lambot. Yan. So, this one is, look at the meat as well. So, it's very soft, like, ooh. So, binake ko to ng 3 hours. Eto naman yung sa chicken quarter legs. So, if you can see then, so ito, napaka-crispy niya. Kakamayin ko, kami lang naman kakain ito. Ayan, so, sobrang soft din nito. Tingnan niyo kung nakadikit pa kasi siya sa sa tray. So, kung parang medyo siya. Hindi ko pa kasi natanggal kasi ayoko siya masira. Pero tingnan niyo siya pagka yung halimbawa luto na. Look how soft it is. Basta yung hindi mo na kailangan makipaglaban. See? So, that's how soft yung meat talaga. Yeah, like that. So, sobrang soft. So, yun talaga yung pinakagusto namin dito. Kaya mas gusto lagi namin na ako lang nagluluto ng food. And then, ito naman yung may bacon natin. So, as I said, nakadikit pa din siya. So, ayan. So, crispy yung bacon. Kaya yung masarap dito kasi crispy yung bacon niya. Tapos, ayan, chicken sa loob. Lambot din to, ayan. Pero hindi na natin gagalawin. Ito yung pinaka soup nung yung sa kanina, yung sa chicken. So, gagawin ko to bukas. Ilalagay ko siya sa gravy.